guys, morning, good morning. I have here Mr. Nico, the owner of this bike. So, nakikita nyo sa background, it's running so heavy. So, right now, nagpapatila lang kami for a while and then we go back home. Hindi pala, we go on trails. Mag-trail kami kahit umulan. Kasi mas masarap pag umulan eh. But anyway, I just want to say hi, good morning to everyone. This is pinkjaytv. Good morning! Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Jay here, pinkjaytv. What up? Yo guys, morning! Maulan. Maulan, dito kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Ay, hindi pala, tulay ito ng MRT. Yan o, makikita nyo. Ang lakas ng ulan, no? Kakalabas lang namin, tapos biglang umulan. Dito kami sa ilalim. Habang nag-aantay, we're going to do a quick review on this bike, evilbikes. Ito kasi, the caller. Si Nico. So makikita nyo guys, napakagandang bike. Ayan o. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel. Makikita nyo dito sa bike na to, napakaganda. Bagong-bago lang to. 2000 ano to pre? 2022 na evil calling. Quick review lang dito sa bike na to. Basically, ano to eh, chubby riders. Ibang grupo to eh. Yung una naming grupo, chubby riders. Mga 5 tao lang naman yun. Puro chubby. So, ayan, makikita nyo guys. Quick review lang. We start with the cockpit muna. Makikita sa cockpit, napaka-pang mayaman. We have burgtec handlebar na enduro, carbon enduro RW na handlebar. We have here the 35mm na clamp size. Ang haba na ito guys, between this part to this part is 780. And then this is a full carbon na handlebar running on 35mm clamp size. Ang rise na ito is around 20mm rise between this part. So makikita nyo yung rise nyan dyan. So that's the handlebar. Ang stem na ito is the same thing, burgtec na 35mm. Ang haba nyo or rise na is 35mm as well. So as you can see here, this is the burgtec logo. See, it's nice. Nice, very nice. And then we have the PNW na grip. Same color as the frame. Ang kulay na itong frame na to is ocean blue ng evil the calling. So makikita yung grip niya, PNW. You have the burgtec cockpit. And then as for the brake, we have here the Magura MT5 to, diba? MT5 Sports. MT5 Trail Sports. Ganda niya, parang hope. Ganyan, no? Oh, maganda to sa mga trail, no? One finger lang pag nag-brake ka. Kasi may mga brake lever na 2 finger na kailangan mo para mag-brake. But for enduro type na brake, we most of the time is 1 finger lang na brake. So, yan. MT Trail brake set. And as for the rotor guys, we have here Furai Storm na rotor 180 sa front. Etong part na to, and then 180 dun sa likod. And then this is the 4 pots na piston na ng Magura. And napaganda, I've been using this, I think ginamit ko to dati yung Magura MT5 Trail Sports na bike din sa enduro na Da Vinci bike ko. Ganda ang lakas ng power niyan, ganda. So yun yung cockpit and then the brake set. We have here the wheel set. Ito, bagong-bago lang tong wheel set na to. Light bicycle, makikita niyan. Ooh, LB carbon. Guys, if I'm not mistaken, the width outer width or width netong rim na to is 30 between this part. 30 yan. And then this is running on 27.5 wheel set. Front and back, we have here the wheel set front, the back one, and then we have here the front one wheel set. Alright. As for the tires, we have here the Minion DHF. Ito lang. And we have here the front tires we have Minion DHF 227.5 by 2.50 wild tire made by Maxxis. Nakita niyo yung part. Ganda to sa tail kasi nga yung grip niya lalaki oh. Ano, para kang nakamotor na. You have Maxxis, you have LV, same as the back. We are running on maxxistyres as well. We are running on maxxistyres as well. But this tire is on Minion DHR2 na 27.5 by 2.4. So ang configuration niya is 2.5 sa harap, 2.4 sa likod. Both running on Maxxis DHF and DHR2 configuration ng tires. Alright? So, as you can see, we have here, ito bago rin to, DT Swiss 350. Yan. Ito yung hub niya, boost na hub, 12 by 148 sa likod, and then sa harap is 110, diba? 110 by something, basta boost na siya sa harap tsaka sa likod. Ang hub niya is DT Swiss, made by DT Swiss 350 hub sa front tsaka sa back. Pero the good thing about this hub is it's already upgraded into enduro bearing.
Paano masabi?
According to him. And the engagement point was already upgraded as well into 50-60, diba? 50-60. So 50-60 na DT Swiss. Napakaganda. Napakaganda na yung combination ng kulay kasi you have black and white. So napakasimple lang yung combination ng bike na to, yung pagkakagawa. Yun yung tires and the wheel set. So proceed with the group set. As for the group set, we have many. It's not a set, group set. Kasi hindi siya group set siya. Supposedly lahat pareho. Kasi group set eh. So non-group set. Anyway, enough for the joke. So we have here the group set. As for the crank set, we have the SRAM GX na crank set made by SRAM. Ang haba na ito between this part and this part is 170. 170 with Promag na chainring na 32 teeth. Ayan o. Boom. 32 teeth. Circle yung chainring. And then for the chain, SRAM chain. Yan. Hindi nyo makikita yung SRAM, medyo madumi. Yan. Malinis na sisili ko sa bike eh. Yung mga hardcore, pag hindi nililinis yung bike, ibig sabihin hardcore yan. Yun yung sign. Pag malinis yung bike, ibig sabihin hindi ginagamit, tsaka papansin lang yung mga ganyang bike. So anyway, yun yung crankset, the chainring, and then you have the RD, which is 11 speed na XO RD, this part, and then this is the 11 speed. For the cassette, we have GX. We have the GX 11 speed 1142, 46. 1142, ayan o, on late, diba? Kasi nga hardcore to eh. Hindi niya kailangan ng 12 kasi yung tuhod niya 12 na. Oo. Kahit nga 10 speed to, kayang-kaya na ito eh. Kaya lang nahiya siya, so nag 11 speed siya. Pero hindi na daw niya kailangan 12 speed. Yung mga 12 speed kasi pang mga weak.
Hindi kaya, pwede bumaba.
So yan yung sabi niya, pag mga 12 speed, mga weak yan, diba? Hindi marunong magkaano lang, mga chill ride lang. Pero pag, if you are hardcore on trails, hindi mo kailangan ng 12 speed, especially here in Singapore. Kasi nga sa Singapore, yung mga trails nila is not that technical.
Paano masabi?
For us, we agree. Hindi masyadong technical yung mga trails dito sa Singapore unless you go to Tampines Quarry and all that. But yung pinupunta namin, which is PT, hindi siya ganun ka-technical. So kayang-kaya na yung mga 11 speed, 10 speed. Depende talaga yun sa tuhod mo. Kung malakas yung tuhod mo, hindi mo kailangan 12 speed. Kahit na 10 speed, kayang-kaya mo 9 speed. So yun lang. And then, dahil kong sinabi. So anyway, go back. Let's go back to this frame. Again, 11 speed. Yung group set niya, we have the GX. Just to wrap it up, we have the GX na crankset 170. We have the Chromag chainring, and we have Miyok ako dun ah. But anyway, we have the Chromag chainring running on 32 teeth, narrow wide if I'm not mistaken. We have the SRAM chain for 11 speed. We have the 11 speed EXO RD. We have the cassette na running on 1142 teeth na SRAM cassette. Okay, so this guy is running on XD driver with kasi nga SRAM yung gamit. So makikita nyo dito, hindi ko naman mapakita kasi kailangan baklasin para makita na XD driver. Pero definitely this is the XD driver hub and XD driver na cassette, 1142 teeth na cassette. So that's it for the bike. And then as for the dropper post, we have here a very nice dropper post, PNW. Yan, napakaganda diba?
Yung PNW, pwede mo ma-adjust yung maximum eh. From 110 to 150. Meron siya ano dito.
Okay. Okay, ano lang guys, FYI lang, based from him, si Sir Nico, ang PNW, you can adjust the travel of the dropper post from 120, 150 to
110 to 150.
110 to 150. So there's an option for you to adjust. He's trying to remove the cap or the cover, and then you can adjust the travel of the dropper post. Oh.
Ang dumi. Tapos yung ano lang.
Okay. So basically, ang sabi niya, you can adjust the travel dropper post from 110 into 150 travel.
Kita mo, dito.
Oh, this part.
Minus 10, 20.
Oh. Alright, this is good thing. Kasi nga if you are not that high and I mean hindi ka ganong kataas, you can adjust the travel of your dropper post. This is new. This is new to me kasi nga hindi ko pa sa ibang dropper post walang option to adjust, di ba? Even Fox Transfer, we have the brand X, we have the other brand which is the what else? One up the dropper post. I think there's no option for you to adjust the travel from 110 to 150. Oh, this guy. Ganyan pala siya.
Ang dumi.
Pero madumi lang talaga. Pero there's an option for you to adjust the dropper post travel. So,
ito 150.
so this part is 150, but you can adjust it from 110, that's the minimal adjustment, and then up to 150. So makikita nyo dito sa addict na to is using the saworks riders clothing, kulay red, Nico. Pangalan nito si Nico. Yan. And then what else I forgot? Cockpit, dropper post. We have the saddle. The last part will be the saddle. This is WTB Coda. Very common sa mga mountain bikers. WTB Coda na saddle. And then the last part will be the shocks. Shocks will be this guy. We have the 2017 na Lyric 160 in travel. 160 yung travel ng dropper post. I mean, 160 yung travel between this part. Itong Lyric na to is running on 150 travel from this part. 160, let me correct. 160 from this part to this part. So yun yung travel ng Lyric niya, 2017 Lyric. As for the rear shocks, we have the rockshox deluxe, super deluxe na rockshox na sa likod. I think this is the stock na rear shocks ng Evil. Naka-internal cabling na siya. Etong part para sa shift dropper post, and then the rest will be this brake and the shifter. Naka-internal dropper post. And then the last part pedal is we have DMR ba to?
Brand dog.
Okay, brand dog na pedal, kulay black. So gamit na gamit tong bike na to. So we have the spare tires, makikita niyo yan, boom. burgtec na guard. And then FSA na headset. So yun lang, nabanggit ko na lahat. Napakagandang bike to. Pang mga malakasan lang tayo, mga nagpapajob ng super taas. Okay, we have the chain guide na kasama na sa frame. Oo nga, custom build yung yung chain guide niya. Boost frame to guys, boost frame. So interview natin. Ano masasabi mo sa bike mo, sir? Kailan mo papalitan? Next year yung papalit mo?
Wala, may sandok.
Oh,
Last na to.
Sabi niya, last na daw siya.
Magalit na si Mrs. ko eh.
Hindi yan magagalit.
Magalit.
Yeti, bilhin mo kaya S-Works, 170. Dapat ganun. Uy, lang ko na. Gulat ako dun, besh. So, bibili siya. Magpapalit daw siya ng bike next year. Kasi wala naman tong binubuhay. Single to eh. Single siya dito sa Singapore. Sa Pilipinas, hindi single. Yan yung linawin. Pero, ayan o, napakagandang bike. Magura, SRAM, PNW, burgtec combination. We have, most of your parts is diba? Rockshox la.
Diba ito, paano ko papalitan ng ultimate?
Okay. Bakit mo papalitan, sir? Ultimate 170 travel. 160 pa rin. Okay. Ano ba maximum na recommended na yan? 160 lang. Papalitan daw niya ng SRAM na ultimate na shocks sa next month na kasi December na next month eh. So may mga bonus siya. So papalitan niya. Tapos next year, by early next year, magpapalitan siya ng buong bike. Yun yung sinabi niya. January. Papalit na siya. So yun lang guys. Nasabi ko na lahat yung mga kailangan sabihin dito sa bike ko. Nag-aantay lang kami ng ulan na tumila para makalis na kami. Nabutan lang kami. Actually kakalabas lang namin. So this is our bikes. We have here Avil and my bike T-Bot. Yan. And then he's using the saworks. Okay? So, yun lang guys. We'll be all again. This is Jay, pinkjaytv. Have a good weekend everyone. Jay here, pinkjaytv again. Mabuhay tayo lahat. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na mga videos na ilalabas. So, that will be all again. Thanks, Jay here, pinkjaytv. Signing off. Bye-bye.